my god. So hey guys, good morning. Hope all is well as well. So it is, let me set up the camera right. So it is Sunday. I do have a client coming in and she's gonna be doing a Bohemian Atlas today. So basically she's a new client. And this is the hair I ordered off Amazon, and we are gonna open this hair together. So like I think I used hair from these people before, so we're just gonna open this hair together and try to put them over here, and get everything ready for her to get here. She will be here like at 7:30. It's 7:14. She will be here at 7:30. So I did went ahead and order two different kind of hair just to try them. Like I had used one of these before, but this one I didn't. I never. I'm gonna be using oh my god, it's, hold on, this looks super rough though. It's not really, the texture is not really soft, but it's super rough. See, I don't know if this can curd. So they sell 1B on a pack, and this is 18-inch, and there's nothing, like there's no instruction to read. So this is the package. You just came in. Normally they do have a little piece of paper to read and stuff like that, but there's no instruction to read. But the hair is super like hard. I don't know, it's super hard. I don't know if I want to use this though. Let me see. I'm gonna try. Let me see. So I'm gonna add a little bit of mousse and like get a piece of hair. This is how you know if this is hair is human hair. So I'm gonna add a little piece of mousse here and see. Oh, I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. It's just hard. I don't know. I don't know. Like, I don't know. But I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna switch with different one. I'm gonna try this. Like I'll have to return my hair back. I'm gonna return it back because that's too hard. Like people pay so much money to get human hair. So if you pay all this money to get your hair done, I feel like you should get the right hair that you want. Yes, this is human hair. Like, you see how, like, see the difference? This is super soft. The texture really soft. So I'm gonna add a little bit of mousse here, and you're gonna see how it's gonna like turn out. So I'm gonna just like put a little bit of mousse on my hair, and like, get a piece of hair. Okay, you see how rough that is? I'm gonna add the mousse here. You see, like, yeah, this is what I'm talking. That's human hair. Yeah, see, that's human hair. Like the texture of this one very different. It's different than that one. So I'm gonna return our hair back. Yeah, and this is super dark. It's like got a really good texture, so that's what we're gonna be using. And I also got another pack here, and I'm gonna be adding on this and use as well. So technically we're gonna be using like 3 different bundles. So this is 3 bundles. I'm gonna be using these. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the hair, separate the human hair and put them over here and do the braiding hair, and then I'll catch up with you guys. I will see y'all later. It's super early, y'all. Okay, so guys, what happening right now? It's just tell me that I don't have enough storage on my phone to record this video, so I wasn't really able to record everything. But I'm gonna just go through the video and just show you guys, because I really want you to see the outcome of this tire. And the hair was great, so I had to change the hair with the other hair with the other brand. and that's it. So we start at 8, and now it's 9 something. So this is how far we have come. And she wanted her hair a little smaller, so I wasn't really able to teach you guys, and and stuff like that. But if you really want to see some teaching video, you can go on my channel. I do have a couple of video, teaching how to do necklace and stuff like that. But I'm gonna just like go, just walk you guys through and see, and just it. But the hair was really great. After I had switched the hair, was really great. And this is how, so we was able to use like 2.5 bundles. Wasn't able to use 3 bundles because I feel like it was just really super full. And what I do, like, the more hair you pay for, the more hair you get. And I really respect the fact that people pay a lot of money. So if you pay a lot of money to get your hair done, I feel like you should have the right hair. And if you have like a bohemian hair, it has to be human hair. If you get human hair, like, your hair, if you sweat out, your hair not really gonna get tangled. So, and that's why I always like to give my clients 100% human hair. So if I have any hair that mess with synthetic hair, I'm not gonna use it. I'm not gonna use this. So I'm gonna just go ahead and return the hair back. But this is a style. This is how it turned out, and she really, really liked her hair. She could not stop looking in the mirror. She really, really does love her hair. So this is a style. And like I said again, if you want to see me teaching, if you want to see the teaching video, you can also go on my channel. I do have a couple of video out there that, teaches how to grab the hair, how many line he's supposed to carry. It all depends the size of the hair. Sometimes if the one is smaller, they want it medium, they want it, bigger. It all depends. And, I got videos on those too, so you can go check it out. I'm gonna put the link down below. So this is how the hair turner is. Really, really cute. The human hair is good. I'm telling you, it's really good. So that's it, and thanks you guys so much. And once again, if you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. And I try my best to respond to everybody comment. If I didn't respond to a comment, my apology. And you know I'ma try to do it. I'ma try to respond to everybody. I love responding to people. I love to hear your feedback. I love to see how you feel about the style. But just let me know. So this is the hair, and that's the finishing look. It's super cute, and we about to take some pictures. And I will let her go. Thank you guys for sticking around. Appreciate y'all. Have a great day. Switch it up. Alright, can you turn on this side for me?
Turn to the side?
Yep.
We are here. We're here for deep breaths and running starts. For hearing yourself over the crowd.